Hello people, welcome back to my channel. Today I am in Awka Anambra State. So I visited the new Solution Fund City. This is a recreation center being built by the current governor of Anambra State, Governor Charles Chukwuma Soludo. You know, Soludo has always said that Anambra will be a destination place, and he's building this fun city as one of the ways to turn Anambra to a place of destination. This fun city is quite large, it's quite massive. This here is the entrance. It's almost 1 kilometer. Very massive place. It has so many sections: the Awka Country Club, the indoor games, then the water park, then the Ferris wheel, roller coaster, so many facilities. It is a massive place indeed, a very massive place. And guys, I love these artworks on the wall at the entrance. These artworks are very beautiful. So on entering the Awka Fun City, you will be greeted, you'll be welcomed by these beautiful piece of art. They are so amazing, so amazing, guys. And now we are approaching the recreation center. First of all, we're going to go through the indoor games section. That's the building you are seeing there. That's the indoor games section. We're going to pass through it. It's still being set up. We're going to see the facilities, showing you that everything is now on ground. They are just fixing the facilities. So let's walk in and let's see. Let me show you guys how it is at the moment. They said they will be opening this place very soon, that the official grand opening will be happening as soon as possible. So that's why it seems the workers here are being hastened. They are being hastened up. They are taking everything fast, but I don't think it's a good idea. They should relax and take their time to fix all these stuffs, so that when they are done, it will be a very perfect job. See these cars, see these toy cars for kids. For kids, they are still about to get fixed, I think. And see this place for indoor game. The other side is for bowling. If you know about bowling, that's what the other left-hand side part is for. So let's get to the outdoor recreation facilities now. We're heading outdoor right now. And one thing I love about this place is that they are taking landscaping, planting of trees, very serious. They are intentional about it. And when you come back here in like 10 years time, it will be a heaven on earth. The trees will bring a kind of serenity, ambience that you hardly find anywhere else in the state. So I love it. I love it. Whoever brought the idea of being very intentional about planting so many trees did a great thing. So that's Ferris wheels now. Let's get to that section. That's the proper front section. You can see the Ferris wheels. You can see how gigantic it is, how massive it is.